Hey, it's your boy Steez, and I'm gonna show y'all one of the most elite gimbals in the game, the DJI OSMO 5. Let's get it. All right, so make sure you grab your phone, whatever phone you have, iPhone, Android, and clip this on. Now, boom, when you clip this on, make sure that it is in the middle of your phone and that is straight. Now set that down for a second, open this up, and go ahead and get this ready. So right here is your magnet. You wanna go ahead and, boom, clip those together and go ahead and turn on your gimbal. So when you finally have the camera on, then you go to your DJI OSMO app. When you go to this app, you'll go to those 3 buttons in the top corner. You'll go to the middle thing, which stands for gimbal, and you'll push calibrate. When you push calibrate, it starts a whole journey. Now during this time, it's basically just called auto calibration. Make sure it's on something flat, and also make sure that you let it go through the whole cycle or it's gonna mess up your whole gimbal work. When this part is done, you can either use the DJI OSMO app or you can go to the camera setting on your phone, whichever one you kind of prefer. All right, so like I said, I like using the regular iPhone camera, so that's what I'm gonna show y'all on today. So number one function I love to show people is the analog stick. So with the analog stick, you can go back, forth, up, down. There's actually FPV mode. There's actually so many different modes that you can use, but it just gives you a lot of leeway as a creator. Now, as you use this, get to the spot that you want to get to, and boom, push record. When you push record, it goes straight into recording. When you push it again, it stops recording. So it makes it very convenient for anybody who is trying to, record something fast and record something quick. The next function will be the gimbal turn. So all you have to do is press this button twice, and then press it twice again, and it goes back. And so you really can use this function in any industry, but one I like to use it in the most is the sports industry. Sometimes I could be shooting in portrait mode and then I see something at a bit wider of an angle, so I go ahead and double tap that and it turns the phone sideways, quick, easy, straight to the point. So another function is this. Now, when you use this gimbal, it's very smooth, but this button on the back right here, if you push this, it stays wherever. So when you're going, even when your hand moves, the phone stays still. So again, a very, very beneficial function for any industry and any type of creative that you are. This right here on the side is the power button. So boom, you hold it to turn it off, and of course you hold it to turn it on. Now when you turn it on, it's always going to calibrate. Now sometimes it won't calibrate straight, and that's when you go back and calibrate it in the app, kind of like I showed y'all. So another function is the selfie stick. All right, for this last thing, I'm gonna show y'all gesture control / follow mode. So you go back to the app, and right by the recording button, you'll see a hand. Now you push that hand and you go to follow and shoot mode. Boom. When you go to follow and shoot mode, put your hand up, it follows your face, and it starts recording wherever you are. So as you move, it moves up, down. So this is a very beneficial function to any creator. Hey, so it's your boy Steve, and I appreciate y'all tapping into this video today about the OSMO 5. Since I do believe that DJI is one of the best companies out there, I will be showing y'all some more of those projects, but stay tuned for more breakdowns with Steve.